All right, we are going to go over the answers to the lab practical. Number 1, which items are needed to complete a Springer foot? Here, every item is needed with the exception of E, the hemostats. We use those for ear plucking. They do not need to be utilized for Springer foot. Some people forgot to include nail clippers. Nails are always included when we are doing feet. Question number 2, what scenario would this dryer be utilized? When a dog is sensitive to loud noises. C, this dryer is quiet. Question 3, a dog's nail is quicked. Which product do you immediately use to stop the bleeding? B, we're going to use our Quick Stop. Question 4, which item would be used to brush out this dog? So here I have a picture of a long-haired dog. The pen brush would be the best option. Furminator is used to, as a blade, and it is used to rake out excess shedding hair. So not the best for this scenario. Zoom, Groom, and Dematter would definitely not apply here. Which item would you use to remove excess shedding out of this dog right here? As you can tell, it's a Weimaraner, but you can see that it has a really short coat. These items only apply to longer hair individuals. The curry combs, the Zoom Grooms that we use to have loose hair come out of short hair dogs would be best utilized. All right, here we have a picture of a husky. Number 6, this dog is excessively shedding. Which would be the most effective to use to strip out excess hair? Okay, now in this case, we have a dog that's shedding a lot. And to really rake out that shedding hair, now we use our Furminator, this blade that's used to really rake out that excess hair. Okay, so this is number 7. Which item of PPE would I use with this tool? So the Dremel, what am I using? The best thing to use here is A, the goggles, because you don't want to get the dust in your eye. We do not need gloves or apron in this situation. Which nail clipper is best for this dog? So here we have a tiny little dog. It's a little Papillon, but you can see next to humans that this dog is extremely small. We would use our small dog nail clippers here. These ones are a little big on such a little dog. Not that they couldn't work, but smaller clippers, smaller dog. Which product do I use to disinfect grooming tools at the end of the grooming day? Spray disinfectant should be sprayed on everything you use at the end of your grooming period. So your blades, your shears, your brushes, everything needs to be sprayed down with that. Identify the items that can be used for plucking ears. So we would never use shears to pluck ears. We use the ear med powder, and you can most certainly use hemostats. 11, this dryer should never be used on the face. A, it's too forceful. What should I use to complete a sanitary cut? Number 12, Dremel would not work. The shears, you would never use that around the sensitive tissues on a dog. Clippers with a 10 blade on them are what we use for sanitary cuts. 13, which product goes into the animal's eye as a protectant during a bath? Our Safe Eye. 14, which product is used to disinfect if a dog urinates on the floor? We would be using our Day Kill solution to clean that up. And 15, list the names of your group members. If you got this one wrong, please reacquaint yourself with your group members, as we should know everyone's name.